Hey, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to delete all your tweets on X. So basically there are two ways to do it, so let's go through the first one. Let's tap profile picture in the top left and then go to your profile, and as you can see I have a few sections right here. Those are posts, replies, highlights, etc. You want to go to replies section, find whatever post that you want to delete from your account, and you want to tap three-dot button next to the post that you want to delete. Press delete post button and confirm by tapping delete. So this was the first way of manual work, let's say like this, and the second way how you can delete all your tweets on X is by using third-party tools. So those are the popular services like Tweet Delete or Tweet Eraser that let you delete all your tweets all at once. Most of them are free, but they are limited for a specific number of posts, and then they will charge you for a bigger number of posts. So you just have to log into that platform that you will use with your X account, select the range, and basically delete your tweets. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.